Yo, class is in session. We're cutting through confusion. No guessing. English grammar ain't a prison, it's precision. Let's break it down. No stress.
Yo, I'm the noun, the person, place, and thing. Got a crown, cause I'm naming everything. Verbs bring action, they make you move. Like jump, run, dance, now you in the groove. Adjectives describe, make the picture vivid. Big, blue, bold, now your sentence livid. Adverbs modify, slick like that. Tell you how, when, where, now run it back. Quickly I rap, yesterday I snapped. Put the grammar in the beat, now the language slap. Pronounce, swap nouns, gotta keep it clean. Like he, she, they in the rhyme machine. We got grammar, got game, ain't nothing too hard. Learn the rules, break them cool like a language guard. Right, tight, speak right, make the message spark. Grammar got pause, now light up the dark. We got grammar, got game, ain't nothing too hard. Learn the rules, break them cool like a language guard. Right, tight, speak right, make the message spark. Grammar got pause, now light up the dark. Subject and predicate, the sentence core, the dog. Bark loud, now you want more. A clause got a subject and a verb that kicks. Independent, strong, it don't need no tricks. But yo, dependent needs some help to stand. Like because I was tired, it needs a hand. Link it with conjunctions, fanboy style for when nor but. Or yet so compile, put a comma before them when they link clauses. Punctuation clean like grammatical flosses. No fragment sentences, no run-ons please. Give your commas air, let the reader breathe. Let's talk tense, past, present or future. Like I walk or I will suture. Simple tenses, keep it basic and clear. Perfect tense is show time, overlap, no fear. I had eaten.
Past perfect, I was full.
Has seen.
Have said perfect grammar school.
Continuous flows like I was writing. Add that in, now your script exciting. We got grammar, got game, ain't nothing too hard. Learn the rules, break them cool like a language guard. Right, tight, speak right, make the message spark. Grammar got bars, now light up the dark. We got grammar, got game, ain't nothing too hard. Learn the rules, break them cool like a language guard. Right, tight, speak right, make the message spark. Grammar got bars, now light up the dark. Commas pause like breaks on a beat. Period, stop, sentence feels complete. Question marks ask, are you feeling this rhyme? Exclamation point shout when it's hype time. Collins introduced a lister quote. Semicolons connect what the comma won't. Don't forget apostrophes, own that thing. The teacher's pen, yeah, let that bling. It's verse, it's, watch the switch. No apostrophe, that's a possessive pitch. But it's with an apostrophe, means it is. Yo, grammar ninja moves, now you in the flow. A-N-N, the dead, that's your article crew. Indefinite or definite, you gotta know who. A dog, any, the dog, that one. An apple starts with vowel, yeah son. Subjects and verbs gotta agree in number. He runs, they run, avoid the blunder. Plural nouns take verbs that match. It's a one-to-one dance, perfect catch. Wanna sound fluent? Then keep that tone. Don't overthink, just own that zone. Read aloud, rap it back, use it real. English got rhythm, feel that feel. Practice every day, let your grammar stack, and soon you'll be the one dropping knowledge on the track. Don't fear mistakes, they help you learn. It's the journey, not perfection, that earns the turn. We got grammar, got game, we ain't never confused. Turn the rules into tools, now you see them get used. Speak slick, right quick, let your knowledge spark. Grammar got bars, yeah, we lighten up the dark. We got grammar, got groove, it's your language ride. From the basics to advanced, got nothing to hide. Drop that subject, link that verb, now embark. You the master of the words, grammar leaves a mark. That's the shortcut to fluency. No textbook vibe, just bars and beats. English grammar ain't a boring, it's fire when you feel it. Now go teach the world with your flow.